मेरा नाम है शिवानी। मेरा नाम है शिवानी पंडित, and I'm a special educator, and I'm the founder of Samarthya. It's lovely to see all of you here, and I'm so happy to see Harshali Didi here, Harshali ma'am here also. किसी के लिए दीदी, किसी के लिए मैम, to be here with SNCC Rehab Foundation. We are so happy to welcome you today, to all the new children especially, and of course the children that have been coming to us. So nice to see your names. एंड जैसे कि आकांक्षा दीदी ने बताया, लुक्स लाइक आप सबने दिवाली में कुछ ना कुछ किया है, बनाया है, राइट? सो कंटिन्यू. हाय तेजल, हाय अदिति, हाय देव. Hello to all of you, lovely
Hi
children.
everyone, so nice to see you all back. I mean, in one window, I was missing this.
Carry on, Akanksha Didi.
Yes. Okay. So yes, all right. So are you all ready? अभी vacation हो गया है, दिवाली celebration सबने किया. So are you all ready to learn something new? क्या आप सब ready हो? Yes. Show me quickly. Show me a thumbs up if you all are ready. We know if we are ready, we show a thumbs up. If you are not ready, we show a thumbs down. क्या हो गया बच्चा?
आपके वाइट पे कुछ हो गया ये.
हाँ,
बैकग्राउंड
आज बैकग्राउंड लगाया है मैंने सोचा आज बैकग्राउंड के साथ काम करेंगे. ओके, सो यस, ऑल राइट, दैट्स ग्रेट. सो आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव योर मटेरियल्स रेडी. और इस सेशन के लिए तो हमें कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. सिंपलेस्ट, सबसे सिंपल जो चीज हमें चाहिए, दैट is going to be papers. Okay, colorful papers, just that. हमें और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. So you all can sit at a very comfortable place. आप अपने सबसे comfortable place पे आके बैठिए, and we will learn something new today. And Rucha Didi, we all know Rucha Didi. How many of you know Rucha Didi? Just raise your hand quickly. Quickly, किस किस को Rucha Didi याद है? किस किस को Rucha Didi पता है? Yes. I'm going to raise my hand. Yes, you know Rucha Didi. Okay, so for
मैम रुचा दीदी एक गेम बनाती है सब बच्चों के लिए.
अरे वाह, वेरी नाइस. यस अर्जुन, रुचा दीदी हमारे लिए गेम्स बनाती थी सेशंस के बीच में. वेरी गुड. सो दोस किड्स who are new for the session and who doesn't know Rucha Didi, so Rucha Didi is a part of Samarthya Foundation. She is also a part of the events team. और वो हमारे बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छे अच्छे वेरी नाइस क्रिएटिव सेशंस लेती है. सो वो हमें ऐसी चीजें सिखाती है जो हमें नहीं आती है, या जो हमें ऐसे लगता है कि ये तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. सो रुचा दीदी मेक्स इट इजी फॉर अस एंड शी टीचेस अस इन द मोस्ट इजी वे पॉसिबल. जो सबसे इजी वे है उसमें वो हमें सिखाती है. सो आज हमने सोचा, बिकॉज वी हैव जस्ट स्टार्टेड आफ्टर आवर वेकेशन. जब हम स्कूल में जाते हैं छुट्टियों के बाद तो एकदम से बहुत ज्यादा पढ़ाई नहीं होती है ना. सिंपल सिंपल चीजें मैम आपको पढ़ाती है, पहले उसका रिवीजन कराती है. सो आज ऐसे ही हम सिंपल एक चीज सीखने वाले हैं. वी आर गोइंग टू डू ओरिगैमी. हु नोज व्हाट इज ओरिगैमी? किसको पता है ओरिगैमी क्या होता है? व्हाट इज एन ओरिगैमी? कैन समवन रेज देयर हैंड एंड टेल मी? यस, एसके आर्मन, आई सॉ योर हैंड रेज्ड. आपको पता है ओरिगैमी क्या है?
मैम origami is a paper work. It's called origami.
Exactly. Excellent. एक्सीलेंट अर्जुन. सो ओरिगैमी क्या होता है? सिर्फ पेपर यूज करके जब हम कुछ क्रिएटिव चीज बनाते हैं, पेपर को फोल्ड कर करके, पेपर को हाथ से कट करके जब हम कुछ चीजें बनाते हैं तो उसको ओरिगैमी कहते हैं. सो ऑल ऑफ यू, कैन यू ऑल सी नाउ? कैन यू सी दीदी स्क्रीन? आप दीदी की स्क्रीन देख सकते हो? There is a pink paper on Didi's screen. Those who cannot see, just let me know. Can you all see? Show me a thumbs up if you can see. Okay, great. So now I am going to hand it over to Rucha Didi, and Rucha Didi is going to teach us कि ये जो पेपर हमारे सामने है पूरा प्लेन पेपर है. इट्स अ स्क्वायर शेप पेपर, और इस स्क्वायर शेप पेपर से हम अभी क्या बनाने वाले हैं. सो चलो रुचा दीदी को ही पूछते हैं. आर यू ऑल रेडी एंड एक्साइटेड? शो मी योर एक्साइटमेंट. शो मी योर एक्साइटमेंट. क्विकली शो मी योर एक्साइटमेंट. ये great. All right, chalo. So let's get started. Get ready.
Okay, so let's begin. जैसे अभी आकांक्षा दीदी ने कहा और अर्जुन ने कहा, origami is paper folding. So it is actually जापान, आपको अगर कंट्री मालूम होगी तो जापान से आता है ये आर्ट. And ori means folding, gami means paper. So you only use a piece of paper. इसमें scissors allowed नहीं है, glue allowed नहीं है. You only use paper and you use your hands to fold it to make something out of it. तो आज हम दो चीजें बनाएंगे. पहले तो सबसे पहले वी आर गोइंग टू मेक अ बटरफ्लाई फॉर डेकोरेशन. सो लेट मी नो इफ यू हैव योर पेपर रेडी एंड वी कैन गेट स्टार्टेड. या आई कैन सी, आई थिंक सबके हाथ में पेपर है. यू कैन टेक एनी कलर यू वांट because butterflies are colorful, so you can take your favorite color. Okay,
I'm not ready, Rucha.
okay, we'll wait for a minute. Yeah, you're ready now?
Okay. No.
Okay, just give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Just any square paper. It's okay if it's not colored on both sides. एक साइड white होगी तो भी चलेगा. Devashish, should I begin? Okay.
मी बालाजी दी ना.
I see Tejal has pink color paper like me. Arjun के पास red है. Okay. Joanne has pink as well. Aditi yellow. Okay. Nice. Uday has orange. Very nice. Very colorful butterflies we're going to make. I think I'll start. Devashish, if you have any doubts, I can just repeat for you, okay? It's very easy, so don't worry. I'll repeat it for you. Yeah, okay, I think he's ready. So let's start. We'll start by folding the paper in a triangle in half. So try your best to match the points. जितना ठीक से आपको point to point match करना आता है उतना ठीक से try कीजिए. So this is one triangle. Then you open it and do the same thing on the other side. Match the 2 points, fold in the middle and complete. Yeah, so I have ऐसे 2 lines on my paper. उस lines को we call them a crease. Yeah. This is step 1. This was step 2. And then you open it. Yes, Tejal is ready. Arjun is also done. I see Davis doing the second fold, I think. SK Arman, correct. Okay, so this was the first step. Now I will turn the paper. Yeah. And abhi I will fold it in a rectangle. So half, but this time I'm making a rectangle. Again, try to match the 2 points as well as you can. जितना ठीक से वो दोनों कॉर्नर्स आपको मैच करना आता है उतना ट्राई कीजिए. और इसको आधे में फोल्ड करना है, रेक्टेंगल बनाना है. क्या? I will do the same thing. I will just turn the paper and make the second rectangle like this.
Usha Didi?
Yes?
Yeah, hi.
You're done?
Okay?
Yeah. Perfect. You made the 2 triangles first and then the rectangles?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I did like this. No, like this I did and then I made the rectangle.
Yeah, perfect. I will just do this. And then I'll open up the paper again. So now what you can see is, you can see 2 straight lines and 2 diagonal lines. So let me know if you're done till this step so we can move on. Yeah, I see SK Arman is ready.
What step, Rucha Didi? Can you show me again?
Just the basic folding step. So first we folded it into a triangle, I mean 2 triangles. Then I turned the paper,
I
folded
can't
it
see
into...
your paper, Rucha Didi.
You can't? Okay, I'll just focus. Can you see it now?
No.
No,
I saw now, yeah. Yeah, I saw now.
Okay. I'll just repeat. This was the first step. Fold it into a triangle, open it, another triangle, open it, turn the paper, fold it into a rectangle, half, move it around, and then another rectangle, and then open it. So you should have 2 straight lines and 2 diagonal lines on your paper.
Like this, no?
Yeah. Yeah, perfect. It looks nice. Yeah, correct.
Okay, thanks.
वेलकम. बाकी सबका हो गया इधर तक? अगर आपको कोई डाउट है तो यू कैन रेज योर हैंड और यू कैन आस्क इन द चैट बॉक्स. तेजल का हो गया? ओके, so let's move on. I will take the paper and try to make like this shape. Try to fold the paper ऐसे where the sleeping line meets. Tuck it inside. इसको ऐसे अंदर डालना है so that it becomes a triangle like this. Yeah, I'll just repeat. This was my paper. I took the sleeping line and I tucked it inside. उसको अंदर डाला. And I will just press this. So this is the shape you want. Yeah, it should look like a triangle. Perfect, Devashish. Arjun का भी हो गया. Let me know if I should repeat. SK Arman correct. Jayant का भी I can't see it. I think it looks.
मैं देखिए.
Yes, Ishan, could you hold it ऐसे so that I can check? ऐसे show me this part. Yeah, it's correct, Ishan, correct. Perfect. बराबर है आपका.
Thank you.
So you have this triangle now. I will move on. Yes, Arjun, triangle is ready, correct. So what you do now is I will just turn the triangle upside down so it looks like this. I will take one of these. I will just take this and I will fold it down, not completely to the point, but thoda sa I will just leave some space here. Yeah, थोड़ी सी इधर जो लाइन है उधर से थोड़ा जगह छोड़ के I will fold it down. And I'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, I'll just repeat. This was a triangle like this. I take one flap, एक इधर से लिया और ये पूरा सेंटर तक नहीं करना है, थोड़ा सेंटर छोड़ के I will fold and repeat on the other side. Yeah, so you can see it already. It's starting to look like a butterfly. These are the 2 wings. Correct. Devashish correct. SK Arman correct. Yes, Tishita, hi. Correct. Yes, Tejal, it's correct.
Ma'am, can you show me one more time?
Yeah. From the triangle, from this part.
No, not that.
एक साइड से दिखाते हैं, ऐसे देखो, ऐसे पकड़ते हैं.
I can't see who was asking the question.
This one.
देखिए
Aditi, I think Aditi is asking the
Aditi?
question.
Okay, yeah. Ishan, yours is correct. Aditi, I'll just show this again. Did you make this triangle?
No.
Okay, I'll just show it again. So this was my paper after the 4 folds.
Okay.
Yeah, I will just pick it up like this. And I will take the sleeping line inside so that it becomes a triangle like this. I will tuck it inside. Yeah. And then I will turn the triangle upside down and bring 2 of these flaps down. ऐसे. Just give me a thumbs up if you're ready with the next step. Yes, I see Anupama is ready. SK Arman is ready.
Like this?
I can't see your paper properly. Just a second.
ದೂರ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೈತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ.
Yeah. Correct. It's correct. Yeah.
Is it okay?
It's correct, ma'am. Just bring this flap down, not to the center, but thoda sa jagah chhod ke, and do the same thing on the other side.
Chodo.
I see everyone else is ready for the next step. So I'll just move on. Now what I will do is I will take this pointy end and fold it in such a way. Just look first so that just you know what to do. I will fold it. I'll bring it upwards so that there's a little triangle peeking over here. And that triangle I will press like this. Yeah, I'll show it again. Now you can do it with me. आपका इधर तक हो गया. अभी मैं बटरफ्लाई को उठाऊंगी and I will take this pointy end. उसको नीचे से दूसरे साइड से पीछे से ऊपर लाना है और इधर छोटा सा जो ट्रायंगल बचेगा उसको ऐसे नीचे दबाना है. Yeah. So this looks like a butterfly. You need to hold it थोड़ा सा नहीं तो वो छूट जाएगा. And what I will do so that it stays there is I will just fold this part in half. थोड़ा सा ही ज़्यादा नहीं. I'll just press here ऐसे half में. Done. So it can still come off. So what you can do is, even though glue isn't allowed, if you want, you can put some glue over here and stick it. But even if you keep it like this as a showpiece, that works too. वैसे भी चलेगा.
Ma'am, can you please show me again?
Yeah. This was the last step we did, right? So what I did was I picked it up. I took this pointy edge that was at the from down, and I took it up from behind. Make sure you have some extra piece here, a small triangle, and fold it onto this portion and press tightly. I will turn the butterfly and just fold it in half. Not fold it, just press a little over here so that it stays, and it also becomes 3D. Yeah. SK Arman का हो गया है. Very pretty. Yes, Devashish, correct. And what you can do is you can fold this in half like this and maybe fold these wings down thoda sa so that it becomes more 3D. Yes. Yes, Devashish, correct. Take it upwards, take this flap up and press down.
Please repeat.
Yes, I can't see who's calling me. Yes, Aditi. Just a second, let me see.
Yes,
Aditi,
babies,
yeah, correct. It's correct.
you can just raise your hand so that we know कि हमें कौन बुला रहा है कि नहीं.
Yeah.
इतने सारे आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं यहाँ पे, तो हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कौन किसे बुला रहा है. So if you have
मैम लिखिए.
something to say, you can just
Yes,
raise your hand.
रुचा मैम ठीक है.
Yes,
Yes.
Devashish, it's correct.
Yes.
Very nice.
And also everyone will stay on mute. हम सब बच्चे म्यूट पे, मैं भी इतने देर म्यूट पे ही थी, so that we don't disturb रुचा दीदी in between. हमारा आवाज बीच बीच में गया तो रुचा दीदी डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगी. So we all will stay on mute. If you want to show anything to Rucha Didi, or if you want to ask anything to her, so you can just raise your hand and wait for her to reply. Okay?
Yeah.
Also, Rucha Didi, please kindly check your messages so that we know if there is anything in that. All right, great. I can see David has raised hand. Hello. You want to say something?
Yes. Okay. I will say. I would like to say. I would like to say. Thank you very much, muchas gracias, for this lovely, lovely design of the butterfly. And I would say, wish you Feliz Navidad, and to you is muy bonito.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Thank you, David.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, David. That's so nice of you. And don't go anywhere. We are going to learn something new again. So हम और एक चीज सीखने वाले हैं. So let everyone be there. Everyone just complete your butterflies and then you can show it to us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Dave is asking for the last step. I will just repeat that. Just a minute. Yeah. Okay. Dave, आपका इधर तक हो गया था? This much.
I can see Joanne with a butterfly, with two butterflies. Yay.
Yeah,
Oh, three.
correct. उधर तक हो गया. Oh, so fast. Okay, I will just repeat the last step for Dave and also for some other, if anyone else has a doubt. This was the second last step. Udhar se what I did was, I hold the butterfly up in your hands, take this last pointy end and bring it, पीछे से bring it forward like this. Pull it so that there's a little triangle over here, and press that triangle like this. Yeah. And then to hold it in place, what you can do is just turn your butterfly, fold it in half, thoda sa press over here, push these wings down, lower wings, chote, and done. I see Arjun has already made two. Yeah. Correct. And what? Yes, Ishan, correct.
Yes, hello.
Dev, आपको समझा?
हाँ.
Yes. Okay. Very nice. Yes, I saw Anupama's as well. Very nice. So what you can do with this butterfly now is, what I'm going to do is I will stick this to my mirror. You can also stick this to your, like any place. If you have a board, you can stick this to the board. You can stick this on your mirror, or you can make a lot of butterflies like this, like Arjun is making. And you can put, like, just join them to a thread, stick them to a piece of thread, and you can even make a garland out of it. Yeah, this is for decoration mostly. Is everyone ready with the butterfly? Should we move on to the next item? Yes, Tishita, I see your red butterfly. Very pretty.
Yes. Okay, everyone just quickly for a moment show me your butterflies. जल्दी से सारे बच्चे screen पे butterfly दिखाइए. Yes. Hold it from the top. Hold it from the top. Yes. So that we can see.
Doesn't.
Yes.
And I see Joanne has given a very nice suggestion. You can even color the wings. If you're using white paper, you can color the wings And in general, you can just draw on it. Yes,
Yes,
Aditi, very pretty.
very nice, Aditi. Beautiful. Those who joined late and missed out on that butterfly, don't worry. We have recorded it, so don't worry, but stay here so that we can learn another thing. Okay.
Yeah. And like Johanna suggested, you can also draw on it. You can draw design if you want, make it colorful, however you want to decorate it. If you want, you can just add a little bit of glue over here and stick it so that it stays in place. Yeah, I see everyone has started. I mean, some of them have started making on the next one as well. Naya paper nikhal ke. So see. So should we move on to the next item? I think सबका butterfly तो हो गया. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you think we should move on to the next one. Joanne is giving a thumbs up. Bryden as well. Dev is ready. Devashish is ready. Ishan is ready. I think सबका mostly हो गया. Okay. Butterfly हो गया. So you can make more of those if you want. I will just take another piece of paper. And yeah, you can take any color you want. Doesn't have to be green. Yeah. If you're using a paper जिसका एक side white है और दूसरा side colored है, so keep your colored side up for this one. For the beginning. अगर आपका पेपर एक साइड पे व्हाइट है और दूसरे साइड पे कलर है तो स्टार्टिंग के लिए कलर वाला साइड ऊपर रखिए. Yeah, so I'll just start. We will just fold it into a rectangle half. Again, try to match the points as neatly as possible. Fold it down the middle, then left and right. So this is one half. मैं आपको बताना ही भूल गई मैं क्या बनाने वाली हूँ अभी. We are going to make little boxes like this. It's not really for decoration like the butterfly. It's more practical, but yeah. So this is the first rectangle. I will open it again. Make another rectangle on the other side. Join the 2 points neatly. Hold it in the middle. Press down. Right, left. Open it again. Yeah. So you should have one standing line and one sleeping line. 2 creases. I see a lot of people are actually using green paper. हम सबका matching फिर. Yes, Arjun is ready for the next step. Prishita is also ready. Okay, let's move on. Okay, Joanna and Bryden are ready. Let's move on. So what I will do now is I will just turn the paper.
Ma'am, will you show me again? I'm not sure.
Yeah, Devashish, just a second. Okay, yeah. So you take the paper, it's very easy. You just fold it in half in a rectangle once like this. Open it, turn it and fold it in half again in a rectangle so that you have 2 creases over here. Yeah, correct. 2 basic rectangles. Yeah. So इतना हो गया. अभी मैं पेपर को टर्न करूंगी. I will just turn the paper. And what we will do now is, okay, I will take one corner and bring it to the center. Center में एक point आ जाएगा आपका जिधर दोनों lines meet कर रहा है. I will just bring it to the center and make a fold like this. And now I will do this for all the paper, like all 3 squares that are remaining. Yeah. एक एक करके join the points as neatly as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just try your best to join it neatly. मेरा भी इधर थोड़ा सा गैप बच रहा है. That is very natural, but we will still try our best. So you should have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles, 4 small triangles now.
Now, where is scissors? Where is scissors?
Baby.
Yes, Tishita, correct. She's ready. Yes, Devashish, correct. Arjun ka bhi ho gaya. Uday is showing a thumbs up. Nice. Yes, Zach, yours is also, you're also done, correct. Joanne and Bryden, everyone's making one, very nice. Correct. SK Arman ka bhi ho gaya. Yes, Aditi, correct. Oh, you're making a purple box, very nice. Correct, Aditi. So now I will just, so idhar tak I think sabka ho gaya hai. Give me a thumbs up if you're ready for the next step. Yeah, okay. I see a lot of people giving thumbs up, so I'll move on. Now what I will do is, I will take this part and I will just fold it in a rectangle till the center, like this. Pura nahi, only till the center.
Can you show the step again?
Yes, Zach. Yes, just a minute. Okay, so I think you were done till this step, where you have 4 triangles ready. So what I'm doing now is I'm just taking these 2 corners, folding it and like folding it like this till the center point, like this. So that this part, the sleeping line matches the center. Yeah, I hope you got it, Zach. I can't see you. Yes, Devashish, correct. SK Arman, correct. Yeah, and I'll do the same thing. I will just turn the paper around and I'll do the same thing. I will take these 2 corners, I mean this line, and then fold it in half till the center. So you have 2 very thin rectangles. Yeah, this is my rectangle 1, rectangle 2. Very thin, thin rectangles you have. And then I'll open it again. Yeah. Correct, Devashish. SK Arman ka ho gaya, I think. Arjun, correct. Very nice. Ishita, correct. Ruba, very nice. Okay. Yes, Ishan, barabar hai aapka. Yeah. Yes, David, do you have a question? Do you want to say
Yes,
something?
please. I like to say this green paper boat is muy bonito. Gracias to you.
Thank you. That's so nice. Thank you. Okay, so we will just move on to the next step. Idhar rectangle tak ho gaya tha. I will open it again. And what I will do now is fold it from this side again. So the same step, but for the other side. Yeah. I'll just repeat. This was the last step we did. Yeah, essay. I will open the rectangles. I will turn the paper around and do the same thing for the other side. Turn the paper around again. Again, make a rectangle so that it reaches the center. So this is your second pair of 2 sleeping thin rectangles. उसमें काफी ज्यादा folds है. Yes, Devashish, correct. Yeah, I see the Rodriguez family is ready as well. Yes, Ishan, correct. Yes, Dev, I can see your red box. Correct. Dhruva ka bhi ho gaya. Very nice, Ishita. Aditi is making a blue box now. Okay, nice. So sweet. Yeah. So should we move on? Does anyone have any questions up till this point? Yeah, no questions. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Vaibhav. Yes, you can unmute yourself.
I finished.
You're done? Okay, very nice. Okay, I think सबका हो गया, अनुपमा का भी हो गया दिख रहा है. Okay, so let's move on. So you open it up again. So this is what your paper will look like. I will just open two triangles like this. Open only two triangles. Keep two of them closed. Yeah, hold it like this. I will take this. इधर जो हमने पहले rectangles fold किए थे उधर से line आ गई होगी. So use that line to fold it in the center again and press. Do the same thing on the other side. From the rectangles we made before, there must be a crease, a line over here. Use that to guide you to fold it in the center again like this. So what it looks like now is I have two rectangles over here and two diamonds at the ends of it. Yes, Devashish, correct. Correct, SK Arman. I see Aditi is doing it. Dhruva, barabar hai. Yes, Tishita. Yes, Uday.
समझ में नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay, yes, Ishan. I'll just show it again. Last step हमारी ऐसी थी, right? आपका इधर तक हो गया?
इधर का हो गया.
Yeah, okay. So what you have to do now is दो triangles खोल दीजिए.
दो triangles खोल दीजिए.
Yeah, दो बंद है और दो खुले हुए हैं. और हमने जो rectangles बनाए थे ना उधर से इधर line आ गई होगी. उस line से just use that to guide you and fold it towards the center again.
See, is it right?
Same चीज नीचे से भी करेंगे. इसको ऊपर जाके उसका भी रेक्टेंगल बनाएंगे. तो आपके पास ये एक रेक्टेंगल जैसा दिखेगा. Yes, अनुपमा करेक्ट. या हो गया ईशान. वेरी नाइस. सो ऐसे एक ये एक रेक्टेंगल दिखेगा, ये एक रेक्टेंगल दिखेगा और ये दो डायमंड्स एंड में. So we are almost done. So as you can see, इसमें बहुत सारे folds हैं. All those folds are to guide you. There must be a lot of creases on your papers now. Okay, should we move on? Now we'll actually make a box out of these lines. Yeah, give me a thumbs up if you're ready. Yes. Okay. Okay. I see a lot of thumbs up. So I'll just move on. This was the last step. I'll just open it like this. So these are the walls of your boxes now. You can watch first if you want. I'll just show it. I'll repeat obviously. So these will be the walls of two sides of your boxes. I'll take this diamond pointy end, fold it like this. And then I'll just show it from this angle. There must be a crease here. So I'll fold it inside. Press. And fold it downwards. And this is, so three sides of the box are done. I'll do the same thing on this side. And then we'll have all four sides done. Yeah, it might be a little complicated, so I'll just remove and I'll repeat. Okay, now you can do it with me. This was the last step we did. So open this rectangle so that it's standing like this. Do the same on this side. Now you have two standing sides of the box ready. Now I will just take this pointy end, and because of the folds we made, हमने जो folds किए थे, when you अगर आप ऐसे ऊपर लेके जाते हैं, वो खुद ब खुद ही box बन जाता है. Yeah, the lines will fold in a way that the box is almost ready. You just have to press it. I will bring it inside. ऐसे अंदर की तरफ fold करना है. I will just press this here. And this part, I'll just press it down, push it into the corner so that it stays. Done. So the three sides are ready. I'll just do the same thing on this side. मैं ऐसे triangle लूंगी. Fold these two parts inside if you want. You can help it. ऐसे अंदर. Then fold it inside. Press so that it stays, and then push it in the corners.
Like this, Rucha ma'am?
Just a second. I will just pin you so that I can see. Yeah, I'll just show it again. I am not sure. I can't see yours properly. I'll just show it again.
Yeah.
Yeah, I will just open my box. Give me a minute. This was the last step we did.
Hey, ma'am.
Yes, Aditi का हो गया. Very nice. So जिनको वो last fold समझ में नहीं आया, just pay attention. Yeah, I will open it. Open the rectangle. Open the rectangle so that this will be one side of your box. This will be the other side. Now we have to make the remaining two sides. Yeah. So I will take this pointy end. If you want, you can fold this along this part. It should automatically come together because of the folds that we made at the beginning. The creases will automatically fold. You just have to push it inside. Push it inside. Press over here. And then push this inside as well. Yeah, Dave is ready with his boxes. He's made two. I will repeat in Hindi again. हमने जो पहले से ही फोल्ड किया था, ये ट्रायंगल पॉइंट लेना है और उसको हमने जो पहले फोल्ड किए थे उसकी वजह से खुद ब खुद वो अंदर ही जाएगा. Make sure this part is inside, is bending inwards, and just push it along. So इधर पहले से एक लाइन होगी. You just have to press it in. Press the corners. And done. Yes, SK Arman ka ho gaya. So this is my box. Yes, Arjun has also made two green boxes. Oh, and he's put the butterfly in the boxes. Nice. Yes, Devashish. Let me just see, huh? I think you're finding it a bit difficult. Do you want me to repeat?
Just tell me,
Yeah.
ma'am, it's correct.
Yes, Aditi. Aditi ka dono ho gaya. Very nice. I'll just remove. Just a second, huh? Let's take it step by step. I think इधर तक आपका हो गया, Devashish. Hold it like this. Hold the paper like this. Put a finger in between if you want. Yeah. I can't see the two diamonds. Did you arrive at this step with the two diamonds at the end? Okay, I think maybe because there are so many folds, it's easy to get a little confused. So I think what you can do is just watch the recording on YouTube again and take it step by step. You can pause the video there as well. Yeah. Please explain from starting again. I'm so sorry, ma'am. It's hard to start from the starting. So what you can do is you can watch the recording on the YouTube channel, and there it becomes easier as well because you can pause anytime you want and take it step by step. Yeah. It's okay if you didn't get it. Even I didn't get it in my first try. I had to pause as well, so it's okay.
देखिए.
Yes, Ishan, can you move it around thoda? Yes. Let me just see. अरे खुल गया I think. Yeah. लेकिन बराबर है. Yeah. I can see. खुल सकता है क्योंकि हम लोग ने glue नहीं यूज किया इसलिए खुल सकता है वो लेकिन है बराबर. I can see. Yeah, correct, Ishan. Yes, correct. So if you want, you can apply some glue so that it stays in place. Sometimes if your folds are nice, if your folds are very tight, it will stay in place on its own. If you fold it tightly. If not, you can apply glue. That works too. I think mostly सबका हो गया box बना के. I see the Rodriguez family is ready with their butterflies and boxes. So this, if you made a box like this, what you can do is you can use it to organize. अगर आपके drawer में बहुत सारा सामान है, so you can make according to the size of the paper. Yes, Sai. Let me just see, just a second, huh? Can you move it? Okay. Yes, Trishita, it's correct. Yeah, I see it's falling apart, but it's okay. You can apply glue so that it doesn't. So what you can do
Very
is
nice,
according.
Arman.
Yeah.
Yes, साई उसको ऐसे प्रेस नहीं करना है फिर हमारा बॉक्स बंद हो जाएगा. है कि नहीं? हम बॉक्स को ऐसे प्रेस करेंगे तो हमारा बॉक्स बंद हो जाएगा. आपका बॉक्स बंद हो गया. ओपन रखो उसको, ऐसे रखो. होल्ड इट लाइक दिस. साई
hold it in your hand like this.
Yes. All of you others, I want to see your boxes. Quickly show me your boxes. Very nice, Durva. Very nice, Ishan. Trishita, very good. Dave has made 2 boxes. That's nice. Oh, I can see Joan family. They have made 4 different colorful boxes. Very nice.
Okay.
Very nice, Aarti.
Yes. Punito. The green box. Gracias.
Thank you so much, David. Thank you. We hope to see your box soon. Okay, David? So even we want to see how you have made your box and your butterfly. Yes, Arjun? Yes, B. Uday? Aditi?
I've done it.
Yes, Hemlata. Okay, very nice. What I would suggest to the parents, please next time when you log into the Zoom account, आप please बच्चों के नाम से login करें. There is an option where you can rename. So please make sure that the child's name is there. so that it's easy for us to call out the name. हमारे लिए easy हो जाता है. Now that I know Arjun, but Arjun आज आपके नाम के आगे Lenovo tab लिखा है. But I know your name, I know your face, that why I could recognize you. But जो नए बच्चे join हो रहे हैं, the new kids that are joining us, so yes, so just this is for the parents. Even Hemlata, agar this is by your parents' name, please change it to your name. The same applies to everyone. And yes, Aditi, आपने बहुत अच्छा बनाया था बच्चा. I was just talking, that's why I could not reply. But you have done a great job.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Yes, Sai. Sai, हम एक काम करेंगे सिर्फ. We will not hold our box like this. We will hold our box like this. Okay? ये ऐसे नहीं पकड़ेंगे, ऐसे पकड़ेंगे. बाकी सब मस्त बना है एकदम. Very nice. Yes. Those who could not follow the instructions or those who joined late, अगर कुछ problem की वजह से, no problem at all. We have done the recording for you all, so you all can just go through the recording and you can just follow the instruction and make your own boxes. And the way Rucha Didi said, जैसे Rucha Didi ने बताया, these boxes can be used to store different things. If you are a girl, then you can keep your earrings in that box. If you are a boy, then you can keep, आपके पास छोटे छोटे चीजें होते हैं ना खेलने के लिए, games, small games you have, that games you can keep in that box. And not necessarily आपको इतना size का ही box बनाना है. The more big paper you take, the bigger box it will be. So जितना बड़ा paper लोगे उतना बड़ा आपका box बन जाएगा. Okay, and the rest whose videos are switched off today, it's fine, we understand it, but we will really appreciate, हमें बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा if your videos are switched on, so that we can see कि आप exactly क्या कर रहे हो, किस तरीके से कर रहे हो, and if you are going wrong, तो हम उसी समय आपको correct कर सकते हैं. So and most importantly, we love to see your beautiful faces. So in that case, we do keep your videos on, and I hand it over to Rucha Didi.
Yeah, I was just finishing with the box. So as Akanksha Didi said, अब जितना बड़ा पेपर लोगे उतना बड़ा बॉक्स होगा. So you can use this, like Didi said, you can use this to store something. It can be small, or if you want to make a bigger box and store bigger things, you can do that as well. Or what I did was I made another box like this. I used a smaller sized paper. I made another box and I used it to gift earrings to my mother. So मैंने अंदर earrings डाले, और ये box छोटा है तो I can use this box to close it, put it over it, and then it becomes like this. Yeah, so you can use it to gift something to your friends or family. Yeah.
Great.
So that works too. You can use it in different ways, however you want to use it. And I think that's it. We can all, maybe before we leave, hold it together, the butterfly and the box.
Yes, we all can hold it together so that we can take beautiful pictures. So just hold it. Hold the things that you have made, जो box और butterfly आपने बनाया है. Rucha Didi, you can just, yeah, video off for that.
Yeah, okay, just a second. And I will.
Okay, great. So everyone just hold your butterfly and your video. Wow, I can see Arjun with 2 butterflies and 2 boxes. That was very quick. Yes. Rishta, very nice. Beautiful. Durva, you joined late, but you have made the box. Okay. Yes, all right. Smile, all of you.
Smile. So I have to leave because I have an errand to do. Adios.
Yeah. No worries. Thanks for coming, David.
Thank you so much, David.
Adios.
Thank you. Yes, smile. Smile. How are you all going to smile? कैसे smile करेंगे? Hold your box and butterfly, Dave. Quickly. I'm waiting for you. We are waiting for you. आप जब पकड़ोगे तभी मैं photo click करने वाली हूँ. So everyone just hold it. Then only I will click a photo. Very nice. Excellent. All right. So this was our today's session. Now we are going to meet on Friday. अभी हम Friday को मिलने वाले हैं. And जिस तरीके से today we had a colorful session. आज का जो हमने origami बनाया, that was so colorful. The same way we are going to have something colorful coming up. हम कुछ और colorful चीज करने वाले हैं on Friday. So I want to see all of you. आज जो बच्चे यहाँ पे आए हैं, new faces, the old faces, I want to see you all on Friday. So you are not going to miss Friday session. आप सब ready बैठेंगे ऐसे ही अपने जगह पे, and we will meet at 5:30. Yes?
Yes,
Yes?
ma'am.
Sure?
Yes.
Yes, I can
Very
feel
good.
the energy. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ 12 को.
Yes.
ओके ईशाना बाहर जा रहे हो, नो प्रॉब्लम, हम आपको सेशन में मिस करेंगे.
मैं बाहर से 18 को आएंगे.
ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. तो आप सेशन का रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना और फिर जो हमने सिखाया है वो आप बना के हमको फोटो भेज देना. ओके नो प्रॉब्लम. But rest others, I want you all in the session. We are going to learn something very new and very interesting. ऐसी चीज जो मुझे भी नहीं आती है. So just think. अभी आप 2-3 दिन सोचो कि हम क्या करने वाले हैं. And we'll see you on Friday 5:30. Okay? Bye bye.
Yes. Thank you.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.